Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know we've been away for quite some time now. We went to serve our fatherland. Not like we're back totally back, but you've passed that stage where our lives are being regimented, like where we are meant to obey rules and order. You don't have time of your own to do videos and all that. But trust me, your girl represented in camp. And we're back. And guess what? We're coming back fully prepared. We have so many things to review, so many things to talk about. We based in Igbo language, but for this past period of time you've been away, you've associated with people from different cultures. We've learned about